Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and PC and make sure battery levels are sufficient. Once done, confirm the PC has a working Bluetooth adapter and drivers. Install them if missing. Next, enable mobile data on your phone and check the APN is correct. This ensures the tethering connection will route traffic. Pairing begins now. Open Bluetooth settings on both devices and put the phone into discoverable mode so the PC can find it. You pair the two devices and configure the network. On the PC, choose Add Bluetooth Device and accept the pairing PIN shown on your phone, then confirm the match. Once paired, go to the phone's connection settings and enable Bluetooth tethering, sometimes labeled Internet Share. This tells the phone to act as a network gateway. Back on the PC, open Network Connections, locate the new Bluetooth Network Adapter, or PAN, and set it to obtain IP/DNS automatically. This lets the PC use the phone's mobile data instantly. You finalize the setup by testing the link. Open a browser or run ping to confirm the PC is using the phone's internet. If speed or connectivity seems slow, make sure the phone's mobile data signal is strong, and that no VPN or firewall on either device is blocking the Bluetooth PAN. Once connected, monitor data usage to avoid caps. If things go wrong, repair and toggle Bluetooth tethering. This often clears routing glitches and renews the IP assignment quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.